How to find deleted Snapchat friends. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find deleted Snapchat friends. First of all, what you need to do is simply open up your Snapchat application. Then, you need to select a friend. After that, tap on Manage Friendship. Next, tap on Remove Friend and then tap on Remove. Now, if you want to find your deleted friend, tap on the search icon at the top left corner. After that, enter the name of your friend. If you forget their name, you can go to the plus icon at the top right. Here, you will find your quick add friends and people associated with you. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on Ignored from Add Me. Now, you can see no Snapchatters ignored from Add Me. After that, go back and then again tap on the three dots at the top and then tap on Recently Added by Me. So now, here you can see your recently added friends. So this is how you can find deleted Snapchat friends. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.